Now we're going to look at tangent. So tangent what's wrong? Okay, so now we're going to look at tangent. So tangent equals slope. And what does that mean? I'll show you in a second. Okay, so let's do something easy, like 30 degrees right here. 30 degrees. So as we know, 30, 60, 90, triangle. 30, 60, square root 3 over 2, 1/2. So this is a sine value, as I said before, and this is a cosine value, base, height. And now the tangent value is right here. Tangent value is the slope. So let's figure it out. So tangent equals opposite over adjacent, and in this case the opposite is a sine value, so we can say tangent equals sine, and then adjacent is cosine, so tangent equals sine theta over cosine theta. So in this case, tangent theta is 30, so tan 30 would equal to 1/2. So tan 30 would equal to 1/2 over square root 3 over 2. So now let's do the math over here so we can have more space. So 1/2 divided by square root 3 over 2, it would be times 2 over square root over 3, which would equal to 2 over 2 square root 3. But we can't have this on the bottom, so we need to times both sides by square root 3. So 2 square root 3 over 6 would equal to square root 3 over 3. So that would be the tangent value of at 30 degrees, the slope. Now let's look at this graph. So square root 3 over 3 is equal to 0.58. So that means here, let's say this is 30 degrees. It should be right here, yes. 30 degrees, 0.58. So this is the value. But wait, you may wonder why there's no value at 90 or 270. That is because 90 and 270 is a straight line, and there's nothing here, because I'll show you. Because tangent equals sine over cosine. So at this value, the sine would be 1, but the cosine would be 0, and that doesn't work. So there would be no slope. That's why. So let's try one more example. Let's do 45 degrees. Because, as you know, that's easy too. This 45, 45, 90, special triangle. So 45, 45, 90, square root 2 over 2, square root 2 over 2, and 1. So tangent of 45 would equal to square root 2 over 2 divided by square root 2 over 2, which is sine divided by cosine, to find the slope. And this would be equal to 1. That means at 45 degrees, here's 1, right here, half of 90, yes, that makes sense, half of 90 is 45 degrees. That means, wait, shouldn't that mean that 135, which is here, that should have the same value too, right? So tangent 135, where is it? Wait, where's the 1? Why is it negative 1? Yes, it's negative 1 because, as I said before, this here is positive cosine, but here's negative. So it would be, in this case, tangent of 135 would equal to square root 2 over 2 divided by negative square root 2 over 2, which would equal to negative 1. Yay, we did this. We made it work. So to get this graph, all you do is plot every degree in the tangent, and it should equal to this. It will. except, as I said before, these two, there's nothing because you can't have anything there. Now let's learn about. So next we're going to learn about the. So now we're going to learn. Now we're going to learn about the much anticipated unit circle.